Plowing the rice field nowadays in Bali is much easier than before, like maybe the early 80s. People in Bali still use cows to help them to plow the rice field, the land. But now, as you see, we have the machine. I think the whole area of Bali, but we still can find people in a really remote place or in a small village. They still use cows or buffalo. So here I show when the farmers plowing their rice field. As you see, a lot of herons also coming. Oh, they're just going. Woo. This is the little, what shall I say, like hut or little place for the farmer to take a rest during the daytime. So they usually bring their own lunch package from the house in the morning, and then they're having lunch here without going home. This is rice field in Ubud. So the rice field amongst the villa, like here. Behind that grassy wall is a joglo. Joglo is traditional building from Java. So this is the process we do before they plant the rice. So they make it flat like that, and then they leave it a few days like this. Then they leave it like this for a while, but by the time we need to consider fix to flatten again in case the machine doesn't work properly, so we do manually like this. So when they finish here, so the water flows to another rice field again. So after they finish there, they will do it here. So that's houses is for rent, villa for rent, or some block next to that tall building is for sale. Quite expensive here in Ubud. This is quite nice path. Usually it's really hard to step in. So this is the farmer, the people who own the rice.
Ini 600,
It is
tanam lagi 400.
mahal nge. So while they process the rice field, so they grow the rice separated here. Look. Niki ampun kudang dina padi niki Pak. See, they grow in a place like this. So approximately when the rice reach about 15 centimeters or 20 centimeters, and then they will replant to the rice field, like here, there. So this one is not ready yet. They need to work it out, like the one we saw. Okay guys, I just want to share about the farming, the rice paddy farming here in Bali. Thank you for watching, and please support me by like and subscribe my channel. Oh, here the herons coming again. See? Okay, bye for now. Thank you very much for watching. Greeting from Bali to all of you all over the world. Thank you. Matur suksema.